Okay. Let's set up my phone so I can see it. So I am going to try to deploy Docker or Mautic on Docker. I'm going to use this YouTube video that I found. It's short, quick, but it is in Spanish. Go. So if you know both languages, cool. If you don't, I'm probably going to be repeating everything anyway. So it's a short video, and yeah, I just want to get it set up and running just to make sure it works. So let me know if you have any questions or anything specific you want me to try out.
En este nuevo vídeo vamos a ver cómo instalar Mautic usando Docker Compose. Como siempre descargamos el archivo desde GitHub.
I think I am going to use, let's check actually what's in hub.docker.com. Mautic. Okay. Let's do this top one. This is Mautic 5. It's pretty new. I do want to try it. But maybe not yet. Just looking through and seeing if there's anything I want to do from here, but I think we'll go to GitHub. Let's see what this guy's saying.
Formato zip.
Here, do I have a Docker? Oh yeah, here it is. Docker Mautic image. Okay, if you want to pull the latest stable image from Mautic 3 series on Docker Hub. Note that during the for period, the Mautic text still refers to Mautic 2 for backward compatibility. If you intend to use Mautic 2, use the Mautic v2 tag instead of Mautic latest. If you want to pull the latest stable image based on Apache 2, Mautic 4. Needed a cough there. Okay. Docker volume create, building your own Docker containers. I think these are similar instructions. Example. is distributed. Provides a basic environment for Mautic to run correctly. Docker images are always simple and functional by design. If you need to add specific features to your Mautic setup, just create a new image based on this official image. You can access and customize Docker Mautic from official Docker Hub image. See what this guy has to say.
Descomprimimos, formato zip, descargamos el archivo desde GitHub, formato zip,
Apache. Docker file. Okay, my Mautic version. So it looks like this is setting up Apache and PHP. Okay. Puts it on 3306. And it looks like it is getting download package and extract to web volume. Okay, I think this is what I need. Except what the heck is this? I need to download that too, separately. Or all of this. Well, let's go back. Yeah, I think let's download all of it. Zipped, like the guy is saying. And then, he's using the desktop or something. He's using some sort of client. I am just going to downloads, trying to find it. Create new folder, desktop, Mautic. Time to be real. So real. Okay. Move that in there. Perfect. Oops. That's not Docker dash. Oh. Mautic unzip. Perfect. Cool. Let's see what's in there. Docker file. And that is just a file. Awesome. Not a directory. Okay. So I've got it. Let's continue with this video.
Descomprimimos,
Unzipping it.
recortamos el nombre,
Renaming it.
perfecto. Y ahora lo subiremos dentro de la carpeta Docker de nuestro servidor.
Just putting it in a Docker folder on a server.
Bien, vamos a ver si hay que modificar Docker Compose.
There is. So we've got. Ah! Where am I? Docker. Okay. cd Apache. That's a Docker file. There it is. There's the Docker Compose file. Let's look at it. It's 80. Okay, volume SQL 5.6. Nginx. Interesting command. Okay. Web SSL certs. Out. Let's look at FPM. It's another Docker file. Let's look at it. Variable vendor Mautic. Man, I have so much to learn about Docker. Setting root user for test. I think I can just run this. Let's see what. Just looking to see if you should change anything.
Al principio no hay
Guess I
que
should go look
modificar
at
nada.
what the password and
Como
SQL
siempre yo he
user is.
puesto el puerto 8200. ¿Puedes poner el que tengas disponible?
Let's go see what I have. Samples. Docker. Okay. These are all the passwords. I guess I have it in this file. I don't know why I'm taking a picture of it. Okay. So for SQL, MySQL, database user, and then host. DB password. Okay. So this is the Mautic configuration. Depends on MySQL, port 80. And then got MySQL. Five point 6, Nginx, 1443. All right. See what got the passwords.
Bien, nos vamos al servidor, entramos en Docker, vemos que tenemos ahí Mautic, entramos dentro,
Right, so
ahí
let's go
está
into the
nuestro Docker
directories.
Compose. Pues vamos a arrancar con el comando habitual.
Okay. Am I still in the same folder? Yes. Okay. So let's do Docker compose up -d.
Se nos descarga Mautic.
All right. Probably should do sudo. Something's happening.
Bien, esperamos un momento. Muy bien, Pues ya está. Nos vamos al navegador.
Error response from David driver programming external connectivity on endpoint Mautic. So error starting user bind address already in use. Okay.
Ahí lo tenemos.
Let's see what happens. Localhost 80. Is what it wanted to bind to. Okay. I wonder if after the fact I can still go in. Say again. Compose. Let's do what did he do? 8200.
Ya.
8200 to 80. Let's just do that. I think that will still cause issues because I think it's internally that I'm bound to 80 already. Alright. Do localhost to 8200. Ah, cool. Alright, let's see what problems I run into next. Fast forward.
Nuevo paso.
I've detected some minor things. We recommend changing in order to have a better mod experience. And to secure installation with an SSL certificate. Okay.
Y aquí tenemos que poner el password de la base de datos. Esto lo dejamos tal cual. Password, a ver cuál era. Vamos a verlo.
So we're just looking for the password now.
El
And
password es secret.
it's the Mautic DB password. Mautic DB password is Mautic DB pass. Copy. Paste.
Correcto, sí. Nuevo paso.
What? Database version 5 is tooled for Mautic to work correctly. Supported versions are 5.7 or higher. What the heck? I don't know if I just changed this. Break everything. Not this one do anything. I just want to try it one more time. Okay, 5.7. Okay, so now let's rerun everything. Okay, it's pulling the new MySQL. Wonder if I'm gonna have to delete the other one. Recreate. Okay. Created. Hopefully this works. Starting. Okay, everything worked. Let's just go back to the base URL. HTTPS thing. Okay. I can't remember if I saved that same password. So let's go copy it again. It was the Mautic DB password. Copy, paste. Okay, it's looking like that worked. This is turning out to be a lot easier than the regular Mautic installation directly on the server. I've done that quite a few times and it was rough. There's a lot of stuff that you have to set up yourself manually. So this is going to be nice if I can get it to work. I'm already way further than I would have been setting it up by myself. The password you just used was found in a data breach. Of course it was. It's just the default password. Admin. Let's just do the same one. Let's just say password. First name, Jordan. Jordan Crandall. Jordan at jordancrandall.com. Of course it is. Don't want to save it. Yes, Jordan Crandall. How should email be spooled? I guess it just depends. Mailer transport, probably other SMTP server. This is probably going to be Outlook information. It's probably going to be TLS. Yeah, I wonder if it'll let me skip this step. Oh, cool. Jordan@jordanhandle.com. Password. Keep me logged in. Cool. Don't save that. Awesome. Let's see what happens when I try to update it. Updating Mautic through the user interface is deprecated. Won't be supported anymore in Mautic 5. Yeah, this is Mautic 4. I believe. Let's see, what could I have done? Oh yeah, okay, Mautic 4 dash Apache. Okay. Let's see what else he says.
Pondremos pues.
Looks like we already got it set up.
No pongas. Perfecto, 3306.
Transport. I don't think that's what he's thinking it is.
Perfecto.
Yeah, I don't think that
Vamos
his
a ver cómo
database is
cambiar el
not the
idioma.
SMTP server.
Aquí. Pondremos español. Recargamos. Hay que aprender YouTube. Estos vídeos básicamente es para explicar cómo por tu atención.
Wake up, webmaster.
Cool.
You're online with host.
That was easy. I kind of want to do Mautic 5.
And you're in command.
It seems like it could just be as easy as updating this. Okay, let's try that. I should put that as well. Let's see what happens. Close that. Recreating. This works. I've been wanting to try Mautic 5. This will have been super easy. Okay. Maybe I wasn't supposed to run it on Apache. Oh, it has to be on it's on Nginx. It sounds like Mautic 5 has to run on HTTPS. So let's go back here. Let's go back to -5. Oops. 5 dash Apache. Build. Okay, let's try that. Nope. Full access denied. Does not exist or may require Docker login. All Mautic 5 Docker images. I think I did need to put a dash. Dash. Back in here. Is this the same thing? Yes. Oh. Maybe this is it. I mean, I know that's referring to something else there. Not found. Okay, let's read this a little more closely. All modified Docker images followed some major, minor. So major, minor, patch, variant. Ah, this is the one I want. What? That's what I did. Oh, it's not V5. Mautic colon 5 dash Apache Okay, that's working. Perfect. Now to try it. Let's try. I don't think I've installed it on this. Snap install cert. I always do this wrong. There's usually like a step that I mess up somehow. Oh, cert Docker. Visual Docker repository for the core certbot image. What does this do? I don't know. Let's read that. What is the visual? Oh. Learn more. Docker. Docker's amazingly simple. Okay. Let's do Apache on none of these. Where is sure. Oh, I already have snap. Okay. I do this just because I have messed around with things and I might have installed it on here. So we're going to clear anything that might have been on here. Looks like there wasn't anything. Install. We'll link it once it's done. Okay. Link. And let's see what happens because I've got Nginx installed on this. I don't know if it'll like mess with things. Must agree in order. Sure. Degoogling. That's your birth certificate. Not right now. Since I'm testing things. Account registered. Please enter the domains you would like on your certificate. Let's see if it'll let me do a. Dang it. Oh, let's do. Yes. I think it's because Nginx is running on it. Let's try find to, what was it, 8200. Nope. The service qualified domain name. Wonder if all of my stuff is down now. Nope. Okay, it's because do Nginx. Okay, that worked. Let's do all of them. This might mess with something at some point. Okay, let's see if this works now on S. I wonder if I have my port open. Let's take a look. Yeah, 443 is open. Wonder if it is a caching issue at this point. Let's try. Make sure there's nothing I needed open. No. Just done with that. Let's go to clear browsing data. All time. Using site data. I don't know if clears browsing history, signs you out. I don't want to be signed out, but I do want to get rid of cookies, because I think that's what it's storing. Guess we'll find out. Maybe it takes a while for it to go throughout the world. Let's just try this. Oh, I definitely need to open up that port. I think that's going to cause some issues. Let's see what happens. Okay, well at least it's forwarding to the right place. But it still doesn't want to go through 443. Seems like none of them do. Let's restart Nginx. Disabled. Cool. That's a good thing. Already in use. Well, to work on the other one. Let's see. Docker Mautic 5. No, let's say 403. HTXS. My web host is able to provide a solution, so I'm posting this. Help someone. I changed the domain I used to mydomain.com. In response for privacy, I have 2 installs. I will be using the one installed in a subdomain. Let's fix the issues for both. I removed it. The issue is htaccess. If I remove it and load the site, require all denied. There's a lot of stuff in here. Gives 403 after upgrading. What good file? Gives 403. What should I do instead of removing those lines? Hey there. So now we've linked to an issue which explains what to do if you're using Mautic in a subfolder. Is that what I'm doing? Maybe. Let's try. Still. Oh yeah, this isn't binding, but okay, it is all down. I think I struggle with Nginx because it's kind of new to me. Already in use. Let's just see what happens when I Google this. this could be an error. It's going to cause because if you have a Nginx configuration that is listening on port 80 and also on port that, and fix this by adding let's go look at Nginx. Shoot, I don't know if this is going to be the right place to look. Let's go to um, 443. Okay, SSL stuff. Listen 80. Happens. Oops. Oh, hit. Let's go down there. Let's mess up my server by playing with some things that I probably shouldn't. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think that did anything. Let's go back and change it though. Don't think I'll have this problem on my other server because I don't have Nginx. It looks like Apache's running there. There is Certbot. Alright, well, we got it to run on, let's go in there. Mautic. Let's see if it'll let me change it back. Docker. Mautic. Let's try to get this up again. I don't know if it will. I think I messed with too many things. Okay. Awesome. That worked. Password. Cool. And it persisted despite me messing with it. Okay. Well, we've got it set up. It works, and I can implement it on my server. Obviously, it still needs to I would still need to set up the SMTP. I haven't done that on here yet, but I don't want to with this. I want to do it on the actual server. But yeah, this looks good. I'd like to try Mautic 5, but from reading the forums, or no, I guess I haven't read them in a little while, but it's still pretty new. So I might stick with this, but maybe I'll mess with that tomorrow or later today. Anyway, I've got it set up, and we'll come back later. Maybe try cal.com. And once I've tested everything, we'll go set it up on my server.